పరిసరాలను మరియు కంపార్ట్మెంట్లను పరిశుభ్రంగా ఉంచడానికి రైల్వేతో సహకరించండి. स्टेशन परिसर और डिब्बों को साफ रखने के लिए रेल की सहायता करें. Please help the railways to keep the station platforms without proper journey ticket or platform ticket. Traveling without a ticket is a punishable offence. टिकट लेने प्रयत्न प्लेटफॉर्म లేదా कंपार्टमेंट ಎಂದು ಬೇಯರಾದು. स्टेशन को साफ सुथरा रखें. प्लेटफॉर्म पर या गाड़ी डिब्बे में न थूकें या
Thank you so much. Thank you.
The salient features of the existing Kurnool city stations, it was earlier called A category station. Now this phase 1 is almost completed, and now the phase 2 will start, and the deadline is 31st March. Before that we will complete this work. Next slide. This is how it looks like at present. When you see the entrance from the road, there are two arches, one leading to the station, other leading to the woodshed. So now we'll have both the arches leading to the station, as the station building will get extended in this portion also. Next. See, this will be the new look after we complete this work. Next.
That they could take out time and come here. Basically, this is a annual general inspection of this particular section, and the prime objective of this annual general inspection is safety inspection. During this inspection, all the principal heads of department and all the branch heads of Hyderabad division, they are inspecting the section together with a view to see that all the installations, whether it is civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical, signal and telecom, all installations are in perfect condition from safety point of view. As you know, for Indian Railways, safety is the first priority. Now the second objective of this inspection is to meet people's representative from media and the passengers, and find out their requirements. Based on the representations or requests received during this inspection, we basically plan upgradation of passenger amenities and rescheduling some of the trains, stoppages of trains, introduction of new trains. So the information which we get during this inspection is very, very important for us, and that is the reason we interact with everyone, and we try to get the requests and representations and suggestions, observations from every important city in Andhra Pradesh. And we are redeveloping this station. The facilities which we are making efforts to provide at Kurnool city will be of world class. We have already seen a detailed presentation. The estimated cost is around ₹15 crores. After this station is redeveloped, sometime in March 19, you will be having a better facade, better circulating area, more space for car parking, scooter parking, better movement of the traffic. On the station, you will be having a better facility, waiting room, AC lounges, food plaza, all the platforms. Now platform 1 and 2, they are already having train indication board. The third platform will also have the train indication board. We are also planning to provide CCTV at this station. So after March 19, this Kurnool station is going to have world-class facilities at this station. We have already received representations from Honorable MLAs regarding new ROB, RUB, also making that Country Express in super fast express, and some more suggestions for stoppages and introduction of new trains. We will be taking note of all these suggestions, and very soon we will try to work it out and we will provide to all these.